So interesting. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Hi. Today we have, as I promised, oh my gosh, special guest. But you know, guys, what happened? We were chatting here offline, and we forgot that we have to go to do the live
Why?
together. Thank you, Ruchi. Oh my gosh, Ruchi is amazing.
Hi.
She's a spiritual coach. She is. Oh, Ruchi, I'll let you please introduce yourself. I just no words. You do amazing. I mean, your husband and yourself, you do amazing work.
Yeah.
Let the community
Thank you
know.
so much. Thank you so much, Ingrida, for having us here. And yes, I am Ruchi, and majorly people know me with the name Ruchi Mystic Flanius. That's the way I am. That's the way I have become. And apart from it, I am a body, mind, and soul alignment coach.
Mhm. All right.
Right, because everything works in alignment, and without alignment things will go hayway here and there and there and there, and you just don't get where the life is heading you. So I help people bringing that alignment in all the three layers of our existence, which helps them actually to come out to their full potential, and then it's just sky is the limit.
Oh my gosh, Ruchi, can I ask you how did you get into that work? Because to me, it just this is just absolutely amazing, magnificent, and it just have you followed your heart since very young age? And how did this happen to you?
Ah, yeah, yeah. I am a very lovey-dovey kind of a person. So yes, I follow my heart. But yes, it's a big story. Which, if anybody is interested, they can go and buy my book, Beyond Fear, on Amazon. It is available there. You can have a glimpse. But to cut it short, so yeah, I followed my heart. But the moment I started following my heart, that point of time was it was a turning point in my life. Took a 360-degree turn, and I was not in a very good state of being, and I was not aware of what is happening and why it is happening. So
Mhm.
just you know getting the answers to why it is happening and what it is happening, because I was totally unaware what is there was no answers from anyone, neither from the doctors nor from the psychologists or astrologers or numerologists or energy healers, nowhere. So my journey started that way, where there was nothing, and then from that nothing, whatever I had built and whatever I had created or whatever I am being, you know re- you know basically what I have become in that
Mhm.
journey
Yeah.
is that what it is.
Mm.
So in my journey, there were lots of things that I kept working upon, and I always say, the Godji had made me do a PhD without any professor. So
Wow.
so it's like, I work on the body consciousness part, working on the soul alignment, spiritual alignment, and then the mind thing, because without this it's a beautiful tool, and if you are aware of it, how to use it, then you can
Mhm.
create whatever you want to in your life. So I am the product of all these alignments of the body, mind, and soul,
Yeah, yeah. And
right?
do you go in your life with your heart when, when you have to make it, how do you know that, you go in the right direction? Do you always follow your heart, or you using your brain, or how that works for you?
Yes, that's the difference between, when you follow your heart, it is coming from a lot of things. Your heart, which we say, it's the energy, right? The feelings, the emotions. It's a
Mhm.
very, very powerful thing, because this is where, when you start listening to your heart, that's where your intuition comes into picture. That's where your psychic abilities come into picture, right? And that's where the divine intervention also comes into picture. That's how powerful is listening to your heart, right? And not only your heart, if you listen to your heart, what you are feeling, you can cure all the diseases in your body,
Mm.
and you can understand the limiting beliefs that your mind is creating, which is just an illusion. The real thing is coming from the heart, because the vastness of the heart, the aura, the
Mm.
energy of that heart, which we relate with the frequency of love, it's it can expand. You cannot imagine to what level. And that is why as I told Ingrida also, today is a very special day, and we were planning to do this talk from very long, but I choose to do it today because it's 19th September for me and it's my parents' anniversary. And a big shout out to that heart area. So I
That's
am
amazing.
actually, I had all, I actually announced and shout out for opening of my Unified Field Pathway Academy also today, which is straight from my heart to everyone's heart and to the world, because it is all about bringing the, soul and your heart, telling everyone that this is just one universe, one word, one heart, and one big family.
I
That's why
know.
the Unified Field Pathway Academy, that's I launched it today. I opened the doors for it for everyone today. So anyone can join in and be the part of that one big family and experience the exuberance of life, being aligned in that body, mind, and soul level.
And Ruchi, guys, Ruchi will be sharing the links. But Ruchi, where is it? How can guys join you? Is this like on YouTube or is this
So I prefer it on the WhatsApp.
on
But
what?
as we were discussing, they can join me here in Next Level Transformation Hub because that's what we all are here for. So they can directly connect with me here. They can comment in there. And with Ingrida, I'll be all yours.
Yeah, and we're not gonna reveal, guys, but we have absolutely amazing plans here, Ruchi
Mm.
and myself. We're just gonna leave
Yes.
it as a teaser because she's
Yeah.
amazing. You're
And
gonna
I am
find
really
out.
excited for that.
Yeah, you're gonna find out that, and that's why, we just gonna be like a short today, this kind of talk with Ruchi, and it's a little bit different conversation than we usually have. But Ruchi is coming again here for the longer interview. Hopefully
Yes.
next week or the following
Yeah.
week, we will agree.
And along with Ingrida, as she said, we both aligned with the same thing. And as I told you, that there is just one thing for all of you to remember. We all are extraordinary beings. Why?
Mhm.
Because you are born with that speciality. You are special. The day you are born, you are here for a purpose, right? So we just want you to all of you, to just unveil that extraordinary sense or a sense of your being, which you already are. We are just going to help you unveil that so that you can know how beautiful you are, how special you are, and how extraordinary you are. And we would love to have all of you here joining this team of Next Level Transformation Hub because, you know, this space, we all are going to make it together.
Yeah, I
Because we
love.
all have special gifts, and with all those gifts coming together, that's how that big heart is going to be formed.
That's exactly, and you, Ruchi, you are an expert. You really know how to help people to get
Yes.
to get home to their hearts, and
Yeah.
that's
Yes.
where this all the beautiful magnetism, that's where amazing things happens, that's where attract, that's how we attracted. I don't know,
Yes.
we attracted
Definitely.
the universe.
Definitely. Like attracts like.
Yeah, yeah, it just
Like attracts like.
resonated. I even don't know how this happened, but you in Canada, right? In Alberta,
Yes.
Canada.
Yeah. Canada.
Yeah, and I'm here in Ireland, guys. Can you believe? And now we are,
Yeah.
who knows, but maybe we're gonna meet in person as well, one day. The world is
Yes. You
it's
never know. But see, distance doesn't matter. When it comes to heart, it can transcend time and space.
wow. Would you like a
And
little?
we just did that. We
Yeah.
are just doing that because we transcended the time and space. We never met in physical, but still we are together, and the way we are vibrating and the way we were communicating, we forgot that we need to go live. We really forgot that we need to go live. We were so absorbed in talking to each other.
Oh my gosh, we completely forgot. And that's why, guys, Ruchi is gonna be coming again here to talk more
Yes.
about the spiritual part and about all that
Yes.
things that you learn, that you are so spiritual. And I always have, you originally from India, right?
Yes.
I don't know, but I always had something in my, family that we all connected. I don't know, maybe in my past life I was, if there is such a
Oh,
thing as
I
past
can, I
life.
can, I can help you. Yeah, it is. There is a life, and I can help you go there and see. So I share a small thing with you. So majority of the times when I am meeting someone, I know beforehand that I am going to meet that person, and after some time we generally discuss, okay, what we were in the past life, how we were connected in the past life, because it's this bond, this connect, and this, the quick thing. It doesn't happen in, it is not happening in this now only. It is happening since very long. We are not meeting for the first time.
So that's how we just know. Because when you
Yes.
meet someone and you don't,
Yeah.
you don't,
No.
you don't know this person, but at the same time, yes, I
Yes,
know
you
you.
vibe out. You just feel it. Oh, this person is just clicking in, and how it is, because you are not meeting for that person for the first time. It's been happening from various lifetimes, and that's how you are reaching here. And imagine all those people in this next life, next level transformation hub. Do you think that they are coming just like that? No, it's the soul contract, it's the purpose that we are going to come together, and we are going to bring that vibe to the universe, because that's what we are all here to do. We all are in that purpose with that soul contract, and that's you initiated very beautifully.
Oh my gosh, I got the chills now. Because you know what? And the beauty of that thing, what we are doing, we even don't know where this is leading, and it's leading to amazing things that we, with this machine, cannot, perceive where the things are going. But here, we
And
just
you know what, you can see that where it is leading to. We do that future progression also.
can. Let's do that next time. Oh
That's
my.
what I was telling you, that beforehand I am aware that where I'm going to, and what I we are going to do there, with whom. So just like with you, Ingrida, there is another person in my life, Dr. Vishakha Singhania. So she said, I said, we have to do this podcast together, and this is the purpose behind it, and all those things. So we had a call, and we I took her to that realm, and asked her to I want you to see what is the purpose, because I am aware of what is the purpose. Now I want you to see what is the purpose, because that's how we'll be aware of that we are standing here, and we have to reach here, and in between whatever is going to be there, we are going to stick together.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. That is exciting thing. So,
So my things are very interesting, and
oh my
really
God.
kept it always interests people, and there are lots many time people kept coming. Okay, what is this about? Okay, okay. Let me do it. Let me see it, and then I'll get back to you what is happening and why it is happening. So it's the divine grace that all my psychic abilities got developed in last 5 6 years. I was a psychic since my childhood, but I was not aware of that at that time. But that's
Mm.
what I said. From a hardcore corporate person, from the director operations to switching to this healing and therapies, it was
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
was all the divine's plan.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And can we ask people who listening, guys, next time when Ruchi is coming, which we agree, and we will let you guys know when she's coming, what would it be that you would like us to talk about? Commenting.
Yeah.
Is
And
it?
few
Yeah,
few of the things I can list them down so that
please.
it will be
Yeah.
easy for them. They can ask anything about the energy word. They can ask anything about the automatic writing. They can talk about the twin flame. They can talk about self discovery. They can talk about akasha, akashic reading. They can talk about tarot. They can talk about reiki or the pranic healing. Or if they want to talk about complete regression, the past, present, and the future, and how to go by that, we can talk about that also.
Oh my gosh, can we talk about everything? But we just do different sessions and we talk
Yeah,
and
so
just do different things.
yeah, that's
Oh,
what I was discussing with you. So it's like every week there is a theme, and
yeah.
then people can ask their questions, and we just pick that theme, and that's how we are going to answer
Right.
them.
Put in the comments what is the first thing that
Yeah,
you want us to come with the first
yeah,
which is gonna happen after
yeah,
the following. Yeah, let us know
yeah.
in the comments what is it. And do contact
Yes,
with Ruchi. She is amazing and you're gonna see her here a lot. and get used to
And
it.
and one thing I want to offer to everyone who is in Next Level Transformation Hub, it's just for you, Ingrida, just for you. Whosoever is in the Transformation Hub and is going to bring more people into here, I am going to give a free channeling session for them.
Oh my gosh, guys, did you hear that? Oh my
So
gosh.
just drop in here and be with Ingrida, help her reach to her purpose where she is heading, and we are going to give you lots of channeling sessions free of cost with me.
Oh my gosh, guys, come on, take that opportunity. And yeah, and do get in touch. Do get in touch with Ruchi. She is amazing, guys. And Ruchi, I just want to thank you so much for coming here, and we will come here again.
Thank you for having me, Ingrida. I really appreciate, and we will talk about it and where you are going to head now.
I just can't wait to
And
see you
thank
again.
you so much for initiating this, what you have
And
started, because we all needed it.
Ruchi, I just so grateful that universe connected us. It's just heart to heart without I didn't have a
Big
clue.
heart,
Yeah,
a big heart, big heart.
yeah.
Just one heart is there, and we all are in there.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And once again, do contact Ruchi directly if you're interested in spirituality, in the readings, in the energy. I even don't know what we're gonna find out. Yeah, so much, so much. Ruchi,
Yes.
appreciate you. Thank you so much. And
Thank you. Thank you.
we'll see you guys next time. Okay?
Okay.
One sec. I'm just gonna do